Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in Cooking Craze. So let's get started without further ado. Open up your Cooking Craze application and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on the little pencil icon right under your avatar. Now select an avatar from the list that is available to you. With your game progress, other avatar will also be unlocked. Once you select your desired avatar, tap on it and tap on OK. Wait for a minute or two and you'll be able to see your avatar change. Pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily change your avatar on Cooking Craze application using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.